Hi friends, here's a silly bird on the cover of this book. It says, "I heard," said the bird. Let's find out what he heard. A bird flew into the barnyard. "I heard," said the bird, "I heard." "What?" asked the animals. "What did you hear?" "I heard," said the bird, "that there's a new one coming." A new one what? I don't know, let's find out. Soon the barnyard was bustling with the news. Everyone began asking, "What's the new one going to be?" They asked the duck, "Is the new one a duckling?" But the duckling said no. They asked the pig, "Is the new one a piglet?" But the pig said no. They asked the goose and the hare, which is also another name for a rabbit, type of rabbit. They asked the mouse and the mare. A mare is a type of horse. They asked here and they asked there and everywhere, and everyone said no. How do you know there was no new one coming? The animals asked together. "I heard," said the bird. "How?" said the cow. "When?" said the hen. "Where?" said the mare. "In the house?" squeaked the mouse. Just then, a little boy came out. "What's going on?" he asked. Well, the animals told him, "It's about the new one." "I heard," said the bird. "How?" said the cow. "When?" said the hen. "Where?" said the mare. "In the house?" squeaked the mouse. If it wasn't in the barnyard, where could it be? "Yes," said the little boy. "Yes, what?" shouted all the animals. "Yes," said the little boy, "the new one is in the house, and if you'll be very quiet, I'll let you see him." "Ooh," said the other animals all together. Then very quietly, the little boy led the animals to the house, and very quietly they all tiptoed to the window and looked inside. "It's a new baby," said the little boy, and he whispered. "My word," said the bird. "And how?" said the cow. "Of course," said the horse. "There's the little baby." "I declare," said the hare. How fun was that? So you have some activities to do. It's a B is for bird activity. And here's the letter B. And here are all the parts to make a bird of your own. What type of things would you like to do to decorate your bird? Could you use watercolors? Could you use paint? Could you use colored pencils? What could you use and put it all together? And here's some activities. Here's a bird, and here's all the pieces to decide what parts of the bird are there. For example, this says beak. You're going to need an adult to help you figure this part out, but it's really kind of cool to find the pieces of a bird. So this is called his beak. It's going to go right here. This says his tail, which is going to go here. Here's his tail. And then figure out the rest. Have fun with that. And then here is a puzzle that can be cut out on the lines, and you can enjoy putting it together. Have lots of fun, friends. Bye.